Good morning and welcome to another episode of Filthy Dirty. We're here on a beautiful rainy January morning at the unit, Valeting UK studio, and we've got Joel's 7 Series. Now this car has picked up a little bit of traction on his last video. Joel decided that it was a good idea to buy the cheapest V12 BMW in the country. However, unfortunately, it hasn't been cleaned for some time. So, Joel, come on over and let's just have a quick intro and talk to our guys about why you bought this car first of all.
Sure.
And what we're going to do with it.
Sure. This is my 2007 BMW 760 Li. It's an absolute, it's like 5.2 metres long. It's just ridiculous. I feel bad for these guys. They've got a lot of metal to clean. I've only had this car about 2 weeks, and I just thought, as you said, it'd just be quite a funny idea really to buy the cheapest V12 that I could find in the country. I'm loving the car. It's actually in a really nice Monaco blue, which I've not even been able to see yet because it's actually just been filthy since I picked it up.
Yeah.
So it hasn't been cleaned. The previous owner hadn't cleaned it before I picked it up, so I don't know when it was last or where it was last cleaned. So I'm excited for you guys to work your magic on it.
Awesome. I'm just going to show the guys a quick walk round of what we've got in terms of dirt build up and what we're going to try and achieve and attempt to clean up for you today. If you'd like the chance to win a Gtechniq goodie bag, just get us up to 1,000 subscribers. Once we get there, we'll send out a package of all of this gear to one of you lucky people. Just make sure you like the video, comment to let us know that you've subscribed. Quick update on the absolute beast here. We've got the seats out as usual. We've hoovered the carpets to give ourselves a nice base to work from. Next up, we're going to start scrubbing those floors. These cream carpets are going to come up really nice. When you see shiny leather is supposed to be a matte finish. So all of this shine on here is all oils, dirt, grease. So all of that needs to come off. And we should end up with a nice matte finish, the same as what we've got on the door cards. Left hand side of the steering wheel still covered in oil and grease, really shiny still. All of that is the dirt that's still on that steering wheel. The right hand side's been cleaned. We've used a magic sponge here. That's the dirt that's come off of half of that side of that steering wheel. Right guys, we're all done with the massive V12 7 Series. She's all looking fresh again. We've tidied up all of the wheels, we've done the usual, seats out on the interior. I'm most impressed with the cream. The carpets have come up absolutely lovely. Come and look at this. Absolutely incredible. Joel, I know you haven't seen the car yet, but come on in, come and have a look. What do you reckon?
Unbelievable.
Yeah?
Yeah. I want to see these carpets.
Here, come and look.
Oh my days. They literally look brand new.
Out the factory.
And this wheel. Wow.
All the leather's completely fresh inside. The floors just look incredible.
That is a huge difference actually, isn't it?
It is, yeah, the wheels are glossy. The whole launch video about the car, why he bought it, it's Joel W. Get that video watched as well. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you next time.